Today we are going to learn about the microorganisms. Microorganisms म्हणजे सूक्ष्मजीव. Microorganisms are a tiny living thing that are invisible to the naked eye. Microorganisms हे इतके टायनी असतात, इतके सूक्ष्म असतात की ते तुम्हाला उघड्या डोळ्यांनी बिलकुलही दिसू शकत नाही. Microorganisms are classified into the 5 categories. First one is the bacteria, second one is the fungi, third one is the protozoa, fourth one is the microorganisms, and the fifth one is the viruses. These 5 categories are belonging to the microorganisms. First one is the bacteria. Bacteria are single cell. Bacteria जे असतात ते single cell पासून बनलेले असतात. मग single cell पासून बनलेले आहे. All the life processes are carried out in a single cell. जेवढेही life processes होतात, for example respiration, digestion, excretion, reproduction, ह्या जेवढ्याही लाईफ प्रोसेसेस आहेत त्या सर्व या बॅक्टेरिया मध्ये एका सिंगल सेल मध्ये कॅरीड आउट होतात. दे आर व्हेरी मायक्रोस्कोपिक. ते इतके मायक्रोस्कोपिक आहे की तुम्हाला उघड्या डोळ्यांनी पाहू शकत नाही. वी कॅन सी बाय द युजिंग ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन मायक्रोस्कोप and they survive in each and every environment. ते तुम्हाला या अर्थवरच्या प्रत्येक एन्व्हायरमेंट मध्ये सर्वाइव्ह करताना दिसतील. They can survive on the land also, they can survive in the water also, and they can survive in the air also. Examples of the bacteria are the lactobacillus, then the E. coli, streptococcus, cyanobacteria, and the mycobacterium. These are the examples of the bacteria. Bacteria can cause diseases also. Some bacteria are classified into 2 types. First one is the good bacteria, second one is the bad bacteria. Good bacteria are helpful to our health, but bad bacteria they create the diseases. They are pathogenic. Some examples of bacteria are the lactobacillus, E. coli, streptococcus, cyanobacteria, mycobacteria. In this one, the lactobacillus is a good bacteria, helpful to our health, but other ones are they are pathogenic.